Welcome back. This video is on how to insert a basic picture into your Excel spreadsheet. So if you're looking to enhance the visual appeal of your work, this video is for you. We're going to be getting into some of the more features and things that you can do with your graphics in some of the later units, but for now it should give you a nice start. Okay, so very simple to do. The first thing you've got to click on is where you want to put the picture in, right? So I'm clicking on B1 up here. And I'm going to click on my Insert tab, and this tab is basically for any type of object, again, that you want to insert into your Excel spreadsheet. So I'm clicking on B1, clicked on the Insert tab, and I'm going to go down here to Picture, right? Now this video assumes that you already have an image that's been prepared and ready to be inserted into your spreadsheet. Okay, so we're not creating images from scratch here, right? We're just using what we have. Okay, so all I need to do is just click on the picture icon, right, and that's going to open up a browser window for me to find my picture, and this takes me to the location where I know my picture is, right, and it's going to show me a nice preview in the window here. So I'm just going to, you can either single click or you can double click, right. You can single click on the picture and hit insert, and that's going to put it real nicely right in that area that I had clicked on, right? So I've got my nice picture at the top, and you'll notice that we have a new tab on the ribbon, right? It's called the Format tab, and this is going to allow for all sorts of different types of editing and adjustments that we can make to the picture. But again, this video is not going to get into the detail there. We're just interested in how to get that picture into your spreadsheet. Okay, so that's all for this video. You can practice with your own pictures, see how they come out, and hope you'll join me for my next video.